everyone. Today we are talking about something that we see every day, but we may not fully understand it or we may not know how it works. And that's the topic is how the internet works. The internet is a backbone of our modern life, like enabling everything from sending emails to streaming videos. But have you ever noticed how does it all happen? Uh, so let's break down into simple terms so that you can understand the magic behind it. Mm. The first fundamental thing in internet is the domain system, and it acts as a internet phone book. Example, when you type an address like www.google.com, your browser doesn't actually understand the words, so it will search in the DNS for the domain names, and it will uh, assess the IP address that is assigned to that particular domain system. So the www.google.com might translate to the IP address of Google. And the next thing that plays an important role in the internet is TCP/IP protocols. Once we get the IP address, the data transfer begins using the TCP or IP protocols. TCP ensures that the data is broken down into small packets and sent across the network. Otherwise, the load on the server will be very high, and it will reas these small packets will be reassembled at the destination. And IP is responsible for routing these packets to the correct address. Uh, Routing is like navigating the data to the correct location where it want to reach. And the third important factor is HTTP and HTTPS. Uh, the browser uses HTTP or HTTPS to request and receive the web page content. And HTTP is the language browsers and servers use to communicate between them, and HTTPS is similar like HTTP but adds a security layer, and it will encrypt data to protect it from being intercepted. Otherwise, the data passing through can be viewed from viewed by a hacker or something. It is exposable. So in order to prevent that, the HTTPS was introduced. And the fourth factor is routing and data packets. Your request travels across multiple routers on the internet, and each router examines the packet's destination and forwards it closer to the server hosting the website. Once the server receives the request, it sends the web page data back to your browser's packets, and that's how the communication works. And the fifth thing is CDN. We may all familiar with the CDN because we use CDN links in our projects. It is mainly used for make things faster. Like many websites use CDNs. These are servers, but distributed across the globe that store cached versions of a website. Instead of fetching data from a distant server, the browser gets it from the nearest CDN, so it will be very fast uh, when compared to that accessing from the original server. And the sixth factor is the security and firewalls. Finally, the data passes through the various firewalls and security layers uh, to ensure the safe delivery. Like HTTPS plays an important role here. It encrypts the data so that no one can read it, and the firewalls in our system block suspicious activities that is trying to steal our data. When we are talking about these are the main things about the internet, and we are talking about the real world example. Let's see with an example like if you type the youtube.com into your browser, First, you about the browser contacts the DNS to get the IP address of the YouTube server, and then using TCP and IP as I mentioned. A request is sent to the server to load the YouTube homepage. Mm. Then the server processes your request and sends back the web page in small packets as it received, and your browser reassembles these packets and displays the home page for you. And that's how this real world working of the internet works. It's all about the communication between the browsers and the servers. And to wrap up, the internet is a fascinating system which of interconnected computers, routers, servers working together to transfer data seamlessly. And understanding how the internet works helps you appreciate its complexity and equips you to build better software. If we know how this works, we can build accordingly. And also, as we know, most of the softwares are moving to SaaS applications. Then it will all be relied on the internet. So the security, the dependency on the internet will increase in the future. So studying about these things is a very fundamental thing for us as developers. We know the root of a thing, that how it works very well. Then um, we can understand or make the programs better than before. And that's all about this video. If you if you like this video, then press the like button. And thank you.